Hello everyone, in this video we will review the Woofz app. Woofz is a mobile app made for dog owners who want to train their dogs and improve their behavior. When you first open the app, it asks you a few questions about your dog, like whether it's a boy or girl, the age, breed, and name. Then it asks if your dog was adopted from a shelter and what basic commands your dog already knows. After that, you choose what kind of behavior issues you want to fix, like barking, jumping, or pulling on the leash. You also select how much time you can spend on training each day. Once you finish all the questions, Woofz shows you different training plans for 12 months, 3 months, and 1 week. Each plan comes with a different price. The app offers daily training tips, step-by-step lessons, and helpful guides for new and experienced dog owners. Many users say that the lessons are easy to follow and show results if you stay consistent. However, the app only works well if you're all ready to follow the training regularly. Also, you have to pay to unlock most of the content. There's no full free version, which some people may not like. Overall, Woofz is a legit app with useful features for dog training. It's not a scam, but since it's a paid app, you should only get it if you're serious about training your dog and ready to use it regularly. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.